Hey everybody, my name is Lolly. Welcome to Morning Glory Farmstead, where I live on 2.5 acres that I bought 7 years ago, but they are surrounded by 3 agricultural fields. So I get the benefit of the views and the beauty and feeling like I have more acreage because I'm surrounded. Now I'm ready to share my quiet morning with you, and I definitely have a routine. The first thing is coffee, and I'm actually sitting on the front porch with my second cup of coffee right now. But coffee is first because I get up almost before the sun is up. I would say maybe 15 minutes before the sun rises. Okay, now once I have all the cats and the dogs fed, it's time to move on to the chickens. So let's take a look at how they're doing this morning. One of the things that I love about living on this property is that I never know what I'm going to see when I walk outside. Things are so beautiful, but yet things change throughout the year. And so that's one of the reasons I wanted to share this quiet morning with you. And it was actually pretty foggy and hazy, but beautiful. This view that I'm going to show you only happens for a very short period of time each year. And so I want to be able to share that with you so that you can enjoy it as well. right, everybody, that's all I have for you today. I will see you next time for some coffee and some pretty views and who knows what. There's always something going on out here. If you enjoyed this video, do me a favor and hit subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye-bye.